Blma Machine Tool, a comprehensive company specializing in the research, development, production, and sales of sheet metal equipment, professional one-on-one pre-sales and after-sales service, creating more stable and durable sheet metal processing equipment. Our machines feature intuitive CNC computer numerical control, operation interfaces that allow for flexible adjustment of parameters, laser safety protection, effectively safeguarding the operator's fingers and arms, optimal parameter ratio, superior core configuration, stable performance, and convenient operation. Using multi-V die for different thickness, economic and convenient. Precision quick clamping device, convenient and fast mode change, reducing workload, improving production efficiency. The machine is equipped with protective door devices, which have the advantage of low noise. The control method of pairing a motor with a screw rod transmission allows the bending machine to have faster speed, smoother motion, higher precision, and lower noise. The synchronous twisting shaft ensures that the slide can move up and down in synchronization. The main motor comes standard with a Siemens motor. Small fuel tank to reduce customers' later usage costs. We look forward to meeting more customers and witnessing the growth of Blma CNC machine tools together.